And here, ladies and gentlemen, we have one working belt sander made by yours truly. Made out of what? Here. Hey, by the way, once I get this thing plugged up, it will have music coming out of it. Oh, and let's make it go faster. Woo! Yeah. Oh shit. Oh, I know, it's ridiculous. Oh, goddamn, look at this shit. This is fucking goddamn beautiful what I've done. Oh, gotta be careful though, right? Moving parts. Really dangerous moving parts. Oh, fuck yeah. Look at it. Look at it. It doesn't even vibrate. Oh my god. It's so fucking... Yes. Turn it down. That's fucking just... Oh, yeah, and it has an emergency switch. You just pull that little magnet off, and the fucking thing just turns right the hell off. Man, look at that. Fuck yes. People, 2 days of work. I turned one Nordic track into this motherfucker.